We discuss an alt key keyboard shortcut without numbers for euro symbol. So for creating a euro symbol without numbers, I must look these three keys. That is this is the control key, this is the alt key, and this is the E key. So I must press one your finger in this control key, another finger in this alt key, and another finger in this E key. You must press these three keys at the same time. Then you can see that the symbol of euro have been arrived here. So this is the keyboard shortcut for euro symbol. Okay, I'll show you once again. You must press this control key, alt key, and E key, these three keys at the same time for getting this symbol, euro symbol, in your Windows computer. You can try after opening your Microsoft Word in your Windows computer. For more you can subscribe. Thank you.